I am Alex, and welcome back to the Quality English Tutor Podcast, where you can speak English with full confidence.
I am Sarah.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Quality English Tutor Podcast, where learning English is simple, practical, and stress-free. Let me ask you something before we start. Have you done anything today that made you feel good? Maybe you studied English. Maybe you finished your work. Or maybe you're just relaxing right now and listening to this podcast.
That's a great question. Because when we talk about our day, we don't always focus on time. We focus on results. What is finished, what is done. And this is exactly where many English learners feel confused.
Exactly. Many students ask, should I say I did or I have done? And honestly, this small question stops people from speaking confidently.
Yes, and today we're going to fix that. Slowly, clearly, without pressure.
In today's episode, we're talking about something you use every single day, even if you don't realize it yet. We're talking about the present perfect tense.
Don't worry if that sounds difficult. It's not scary. It's actually very useful, especially when you talk about your day, your work, or your life experiences.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say simple but powerful sentences like, I have finished my work. I have studied English today. I haven't eaten lunch yet.
And, most importantly, you will understand when to use it and why native speakers use it so often.
So relax. Take a deep breath. You don't need perfect English. You just need clear English.
And if you are ready, let's start step by step, beginning with how we talk about our day.
Many students feel nervous when they hear present perfect. But don't worry, this tense is not difficult.
Really? Because the name sounds complicated.
I know, the name sounds scary, but the idea is simple. We use the present perfect to talk about what you have done.
So it's about finished actions?
Yes, finished actions that are important now. Think about your day. You don't talk about every small detail. You talk about what is finished.
Ah, like a checklist.
Exactly, a to-do list. When something is done, you can say it with the present perfect.
So instead of saying, I eat breakfast, I say, I have eaten breakfast.
Perfect. That means breakfast is finished, and now you're ready for the day.
Okay, that actually feels simple.
Good. That's the goal. Simple English, clear meaning. Today, we're going to talk about your day. Not just your day like I wake up, I eat breakfast, close, but not exactly. We typically discuss our routines using the present simple. Today, we want to focus on our achievements.
Achievements? That sounds serious.
It's not serious. It's about what you have done. Today, we are going to talk about the present perfect tense.
Ooh, the present perfect. I have done, she has eaten, that tense, right?
Yes, exactly. Many students feel a little nervous about this tense, but it is actually very friendly.
It is?
Yes, it is perfect for checking your to-do list.
Ah, that's a great way to think about it, Alex. A to-do list.
Right. So, how do we use it to talk about our day? Imagine it's the afternoon. You want to tell a friend about your morning. You don't just say what happened, you say what is finished.
Ah, I see. So I don't say I drink coffee. I say I have drunk my coffee.
Exactly. I have drunk my coffee. It means the cup is empty. The action is finished, but it is important now because now you are awake.
Oh, so the result is here now.
Yes, exactly. The result matters in the present. Okay, so the structure is the person plus have or has plus the action verb.
Yes, but sometimes the verb changes, right?
Correct. We call it the third form or the past participle.
Ah, yes, the third form. So eat becomes eaten, see becomes seen, and finish becomes finished.
That's right. That one is easy.
I like the easy ones.
Sarah, tell me about your morning. What have you done so far today?
Let me think. First, I have eaten breakfast.
Good. Breakfast is important. What else?
I have taken my dog for a walk.
Oh, nice. Your dog must be happy now.
Yes, he is resting now. And I have also prepared today's podcast.
Wow, you've done a lot already. You've been very productive.
Yes, I have.
Listeners, did you hear that? Sarah said, I have been productive. The word been is the third form of be. Very useful in English.
Now, Alex, what about you? What have you done today?
Let me think. I have cleaned my desk.
Good. A tidy desk feels great.
And I have called my mom.
That's lovely. Moms love phone calls.
Yes, we talked for a while. And I have replied to some emails for work.
Perfect. Replied is a good word. Reply, replied, replied. The third form.
I have replied to 5 emails already. It feels good to finish tasks.
Exactly. That's the feeling of the present perfect. Success.
Yes, you've done it, and it matters now.
I like that feeling.
Now, there's a small word we use a lot with this tense. Just.
Just? How do we use it?
We use it just when something has happened very recently. For example, if I put down my coffee now, I can say, I have just finished my coffee.
Ah, so it shows the action finished very recently.
Exactly. Or if I arrive at the office, I can say, I have just arrived. Makes it fresh.
That's a very useful word.
Another helpful word is already. We use already to show something is finished, maybe sooner than expected, or just to confirm it's done.
Can you give an example?
Sure. If I ask, do you want lunch? You can say, no thank you, I have already eaten.
Ah, I see. That means I finished it before now.
Exactly. And you can use it for emails, tasks, or anything finished, like, I have already sent the report.
Very useful.
Now, what if something isn't done yet? That's where yet comes in.
Yet? How do we use it?
We use yet in negatives or questions, usually at the end.
Can you show me an example?
Sure. Imagine your to-do list says, go to the supermarket, but you haven't gone. You can say, I haven't gone to the supermarket yet.
Ah, I hear it. It goes at the end.
Right. It means not now, but you will do it later. Hopeful, isn't it?
Yes, very natural in conversation.
And in questions, we use it too. Sarah, have you finished your tea yet?
No, I haven't finished it yet. I still have a little left.
Exactly. That's how natural English conversation works. So, Sarah, today we talked about a lot of ways to use the present perfect. We learned about I have done, I have just done, I have already done, and I haven't done yet.
Yes, and we practiced with real examples from our day. Breakfast, walking the dog, sending emails. These all help you see the result of what you've done.
Exactly. The key idea is the present perfect shows the result now, not just the action in the past.
And we also learned how to use the small words just, already, and yet to make our sentences sound natural.
Yes. Remember, the more you use these in your daily life, the more confident you will become in speaking English.
So don't worry about mistakes. Start small. Notice what you finished today and practice these phrases.
That's right. This summary helps you see how the present perfect is used step by step, clearly, concisely, and practically. So, Sarah, we've learned about I have done, I have just done, I have already done, and I haven't done yet.
Yes, Alex, that's a lot of practice. But sometimes I still get confused.
Confused? How so?
Well, sometimes I don't know whether to use past simple or present perfect. Like, should I say I did or I have done?
Ah, that's a common question. Here's a simple tip. If you mention the exact time something happened, use past simple.
For example, yesterday, last night, or at 7 a.m.?
Exactly. So, I ate breakfast at 7 a.m., past simple.
Okay, but what if the time isn't important, or it's today or now?
Then we use the present perfect. I have eaten breakfast. The action is finished, but the result matters now.
Ah, I see. So if I lost my keys yesterday, I'd say I lost my keys. But if I can't find them now, I say, I have lost my keys.
Perfect. The present perfect connects the past to now. It's very useful for talking about your day.
Right. You come home from work and someone asks, how was your day? You can say, I have finished my report. I have had a good meeting. I have just arrived home.
That sounds professional and natural. And starting conversations with have you is great practice too.
Like, have you tried the new cafe? Or have you finished your project?
Yes, present perfect is everywhere, and the best way to learn it is to practice daily.
Don't worry about mistakes. If you say, I have eat instead of I have eaten, people will still understand. Mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. Now, Sarah, I have a question for you.
What is it, Alex?
Have you finished your tea yet?
Let me see. Yes, I have finished it. It's all gone.
Perfect. That means we've worked hard today and practiced a lot of grammar.
Yes, and our listeners have learned a lot too.
Remember, start small. Try to say 3 things you've done today.
Like, I have studied English. I have cooked lunch. I have walked my dog.
Exactly. And now we have a little homework for you.
Homework? Oh, I love that kind.
Yes, fun homework. Write in the comments what you've done today, 1 or 2 things.
It could be, I have read a book. I have cleaned my room. I have walked to work. Anything works.
We love reading your stories, and we'll try to reply to as many as we can.
And don't forget, if you liked this episode, subscribe and share with your friends. You can practice the present perfect with them too.
Yes, ask them, have you watched today's episode? Or have you tried speaking in English today?
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing, and remember, every small step counts.
Yes, keep going. You're doing amazing.
Thank you, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Keep speaking English every day.